Hello my friends and welcome to the start of the May new releases. So I wanted to start out with a standalone video for two things. So the first one is going to be the monthly journal. So this is the May journaling bundle, and then I'll do a separate video for the May melt box, and then I'll do all of the other releases by themselves. So otherwise the videos are just going to get too big. So this is an absolutely gorgeous month. I think this is probably one of my favorites so far. This is one of my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the journal first. And as always, it's going to come in this container with the Velcro, as you could hear, to keep all of your journaling goodies safe and sound and easy to carry. But look at how gorgeous the coloring on this is. Just so pretty. Look at that. It is just stunning. Oh my gosh, the color is just absolutely beautiful. And then as always, you have your dot grid on the inside. I am looking at changing up the size of the journal. If you guys have any objections to changing up the size of the journal, let me know now. But I am looking into doing one that's just a little bit smaller, just so that it will fit inside of some of the what do you call them? Planner covers. So I am looking to make it just a tiny bit smaller, but we'll see. If you guys really love this size, then I may not. I may leave it alone because I do need to start ordering the next quarter of journals. So anyway, here's your journal. I'll set that one over here so you can still see it and your little thing, making it all presentable for my picture afterwards. Then we have our pen. So this month you have the mild liners. So we are starting the mild liners now, and this one is gold, which I thought would go really well because you've got like a lot of yellows and golds. You'll see more in the kit over here, but I thought gold would really accent this very well, and it's a perfect one to start off the summer. It's like a really universal color for summertime palettes. So anyway, here we have gold. I will write with it so you can see. So you have a chiseled end on one end, and it looks like this, and then you've got the pen nib on the other, which looks like this. So there you go. There is the mild liners. So that comes in your kit. Then we have washi tape. So you've got two washi tapes this month. These ones are still sealed up. They're smaller. I tried a new company. To be honest, I'm going to go back to the other ones, but for the next few months, I do have this company. So they are much skinnier, much smaller washies. Still has more than enough because you never ever go through all this washi anyways, but I do want to go back to the other one because it does have, it's pretty much gone now because this one's been open for a little while, but they do have like a weird smell to them from, I think, the ink process. So I'm not super thrilled with these ones. These ones are from Vograce. I wanted to try something that had a lower number of them, so I didn't have so many. But I think I'm going to go back to the other guys. So anyway, but they are absolutely gorgeous, like gorgeous. And I will roll them out and show you because I have mine here. I'm going to roll it out on the back so you can see it. So here's one, and then this like dreamy, absolutely dreamy, almost space looking. It's just so pretty. But here is your washi. How pretty is that? Just gorgeous. So this one's called Sweet Dreams. That is the name of the kit. And we'll put this here. This month I did make some changes to this, so you will see when we get to it what I did. But here's the vellum. Really pretty, real pretty vellum. This is what you can use for tip-ins or to decorate your what do you call it, your dashboards or whatever suits your fancy. We'll do the stickers next. So actually we'll do stickers last because I want to zoom in so that you can see all the stickers. So let me move this stuff over. So as always, we have our prompts for May, and my favorite one, because we have Sweet Dreams, is An Unforgettable Dream. So you have, and these are all individually cut, so you just add them to your page and answer them. So there's that. Then you have your May 2023, a bunch of different ones that you can use on different pages. Then you have some days of the week if you want to do spreads that are daily. Then we have our journaling kit, which is gorgeous journaling kit. How pretty that is. So pretty. I love this. So there's your journaling kit. Then we have a deco sheet with some smaller deco, and then you have your washi sheet with a bunch of different washis. And then you have, this is the new stuff right here. So I made 4 new sheets. We're not going to do the mini kits anymore because this is a journaling subscription, and I was just kind of filling in until I figured out exactly what I wanted for the other 4 sheets, but this is it right here. So you've got some boxes here. You've got like different ones with like work hours, priorities, appointments, weekend, relax, that kind of stuff. So you've got just some plain ones that you can fill out and put wherever you like. Then you've got some other ones that are more specific to like a little note section, and these are all Kiss Cut. A tasks section, like a relax section where no need to do it kind of a thing. You've got a date label, a list, a to-do list label. Then this one over here, you've got some paint swatches, a couple little things at deco. You've got a schedule, 1 through 10. You've got some habits, water tracker, exercise tracker, a to-do list, a notes list, and then like this is another tracker. You put the date and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then this one is just like a fun little sheet where you've got some, you know, Monday through Sunday and goals, some paint swatches at the bottom. And these are also Kiss Cut little things that you can kind of add to your pages. So really, really cute. But I wanted to do something a little bit different rather than a standard vertical mini kit because we're using a journal. So I wanted you to have journaling stickers for the journal. So that is what I finally got them designed and figured out. And they match the kit perfectly. So let me put all that to the side and we'll do the big stickers. So you have your, let me zoom you in, you have your double cut stickers here. How stinking pretty is this? It's just such an absolutely gorgeous kit. This little sleepy spray for like nighttime spray. You got a candle, books, some crystals. I love the little clouds. The dreams in a bottle. The moon with the flowers, so pretty. More flowers. It's just a gorgeous like moonflower. Then you got a sleepy mask. Some pajamas. Look at that sun. Oh, so pretty. A celestial sun, globe. Then you've got like, let me think what this is. Oil. Sorry, fragrance oil. And then another, I don't know if this is like a box or a crystal, I'm not really sure. And then look at the moon card. Really pretty. Anyway, so that is everything that is coming in this month's journaling kit. I hope you guys like this one. I will have them all listed on May 1st. Everything will be up and ready for you to grab. We are in Planner Girls Unite sale. I think what I'm going to do on May 1st is I'll do like, I don't know. Don't quote me. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do it because the Planner Girls Unite sale isn't until like the 2nd week in May. And this stuff goes up pretty early. So I want you guys to be able to get your hands on it before it's gone. But at the same time, you know, if you wait until the sale, which isn't until the middle of the month, I'm not sure how much stuff is going to be left over. So I might do a quickie like weekend sale prior to that one, just so that if there's melt boxes or journaling kits or whatever that you want to get before the actual sale starts, there'll be a sale for it. So we'll see exactly when we're going to do it or how we're going to do it because I'm not 100% sure since I'm going to be leaving on vacation, but these are already ready to go. Melt boxes and journaling kits are ready to go. They're prepackaged, already ready to go out the door. So doing a sale with these isn't such a big deal. It's the other stuff that would be, if you added in some of the other stuff, it might take a little bit longer. So I don't know, I'll have to work it out. Anyway, I hope you guys like this and I will see you again with the melt box. So stay tuned. Bye.